Unpacking Idioms, Bottom of the Barrel, explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, bottom of the barrel. This phrase is quite popular in both spoken and written English, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enrich your language skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to scrape the bottom of the barrel. The phrase, bottom of the barrel, refers to the very last of the supplies or options, often implying that these remaining choices are of lower quality or less desirable compared to what was available before. Imagine a barrel filled with apples. The ones at the bottom are likely to be bruised or of poorer quality, having been under the weight of the others. In a figurative sense, when someone says they are at the bottom of the barrel, it means they are left with only the worst or least favorable options. The idiom, bottom of the barrel, has its roots in real-life practices. Historically, goods like food, wine, or other commodities were stored in barrels. Over time, as the contents were used up, the quality of what remained at the bottom could be compromised due to various reasons, including spoilage or just being lesser in quality. This literal scenario gave rise to the metaphorical use of the phrase in everyday language. To help you better understand how to use bottom of the barrel, here are a few examples. We're really scraping the bottom of the barrel with these job applicants. This means that the quality of applicants left to consider for a job position is not very high. I had to reach the bottom of the barrel for ideas for my project. This suggests that the speaker had to resort to less desirable or less creative ideas after exhausting better options. The team has injuries, and now they're playing the bottom of the barrel players. Here, it implies that the team is using their least skilled players because their top players are unavailable. Incorporating idioms like bottom of the barrel into your conversation can make your English sound more natural and fluent. It's used to express dissatisfaction with the available options or to humorously acknowledge that one is left with less desirable choices. Remember, using such phrases appropriately can add a layer of sophistication to your language skills. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, bottom of the barrel. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origin, and usage, helping you enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, language is a window to culture, and understanding idioms like this one brings you closer to the heart of English-speaking communities. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!